today's video, I want to talk about a beautiful Milky Way location in Acadia National Park, Maine. It is known as Little Hunters Beach, and the parking for this location is about 1.7 miles from Otter Cove along Park Loop Road in Acadia National Park. There is no parking lot, but you do have a couple of pullouts near this location. I'll put the GPS coordinates in the description below. This national park does have an entrance fee. However, if you're going there to shoot late in the evening for the Milky Way, chances are the entrance booths will be closed and you could enter for free. There are a series of steps you have to go down to get onto Little Hunters Beach. For those with any physical ailments, this might be a slight challenge for you. As we proceed down the steps, we reach one of my favorite Milky Way compositions in Acadia. I love finding steps or pathways that lead towards the Milky Way, and this location works quite nicely for that. These stairs have been updated from the last time I photographed them a couple years ago, as you can see from this side-by-side comparison. I love the old steps, which had a lot more character, but this composition is still amazing. As we continue walking onto the beach, you'll notice it's mostly smooth oval stones made of granite and other rock types. This open area is great for using a star tracker for the Milky Way galaxy. You could also get some different compositions here as well. During high tide, you could capture the Milky Way with the cove and some of those smooth stones. During low tide, you could find some larger rocks to use them in your foreground to make it a little more interesting. As you can see from this time lapse of the Milky Way from this location, you can capture at numerous angles. If we jump to photo pills and look at a compass, we can see that this location works best for a Milky Way that drifts from east-southeast to south-southwest. This spot will work well a few months out of the year, so I recommend you use programs like Stellarium or photo pills to help you choose the ideal dates and times before going. The weather in Acadia National Park is typically on the cooler side, especially at night, but you could get some hot weeks in the summer. Just be prepared by bringing some extra layers. Acadia is near the coast, so you don't get clear nights as often as you would out west in drier climates. So I would recommend staying for at least 3 nights to help your odds of getting a clear or mostly clear night to photograph the Milky Way. Plus, it's just a beautiful place to explore, especially if you enjoy hiking and sightseeing. As I continue walking along Little Hunters Beach, there's a rocky coastline which could be used for night foregrounds as well. This could be a little dangerous, especially at night, so proceed with caution at your own risk. This area will work better as the Milky Way drifts further south to southwest. I've yet to photograph from these rocks, but I did some scouting and you can definitely pull off some beautiful compositions from here as well. That wraps up this Milky Way location, and now you know before you go. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to stay up to date for future video releases. Also, be sure to check out my links below for more information about Acadia National Park. Take care everyone, bye bye.